Okay, in this video we're looking at counting arguments, and quite often the application for this is path problems like the one pictured below there. You want to look for keywords in these problems, like and meaning you tend to times and or meaning you add usually. Okay, so we're going to do an example problem first here. My general piece of advice for path problems is if you're going that way, you're timesing, and if you're going that way, you're adding, and you'll see what I mean as we do these. You can sort of imagine, how do I get from A to C? One such path could be to go across here and then the top one. That would be one path. You could also go the second one down, the third one down, or the fourth one down. You can see that there we have 4 possibilities for that path, but I can also go on that one or that one. So I got 3 possibilities there. You want to times these 2 numbers to get a total of 12 possible paths you can take. And hopefully you can kind of picture the 12, because it would be any one of these 3 is your first option, and then each of those 3 gives you 4. So it's like 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives you 12. Okay, moving on, this one gets a bit trickier, but we can use the same sort of analysis. So you get 2 times 3 is 6 paths at the top, and here we're going to get 4 times 2 is 8 paths at the bottom. Then you're going to get 6 plus 8 possible paths is 14. And this is where I sort of said if you're going across you want to times, and if you're going down you add, because we're sort of adding those 2 possibilities, but we're timesing to get the ones going across. So 14 possible paths there. The other one that I want to talk about here is just how many different number plates are possible in this form. You can sort of imagine a number plate on a car. So you've got your 3 letters. It could be like W, X, Y. And then you've got your 3 numbers. Could be like 2, 3, 5 or something like that. But you can sort of imagine how this would play out. So you've got 26 there. You've got another 26 and another 26. Then with the numbers, you're going to have to times it by 10 for each number. And that would be the number plate that you could get. So you can actually work out what that is. It's 26 cubed essentially times 10 cubed. And that would give you 1757 6000 plates. So that's how many possible number plates you could have in that situation.